What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to do a review on the Air Jordan 12 reverse flu game. Now typically I really do like black and red sneakers, and I'm a fan of the original flu game 12s. Like most people, that's a dope sneaker. It's in a lot of sneakerheads collections and stuff like that. So, that's a definite must cop. If they would have re-released that, a lot of people would have went after that. It would have sold out instantly and people would be praising it. Now, when I originally found out that this reverse flu game sneaker was being released, I was actually kind of looking forward to it. Now, I know a lot of people passed on this sneaker, and I don't really blame them because a lot of the stock photos that came out, kind of made the sneaker look a little bit weird. But I do have the sneaker in hand, and we're going to take a look at that, and we're going to judge that for ourselves. Now, before we get into the unboxing, if you guys could just take a moment out and please destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. Alright, so let's start taking a look at what we got here. Now you have your typical Air Jordan 12 box. You got your black Jumpman on the top. And this here says Air Jordan 12 Retro, Varsity Red Black, and this is a size 8. Alright, so as soon as you open the box, you do have this tissue paper. Let's take a look and see what we got here. So it does come with an extra set of laces, red laces, that doesn't really match the sneaker at all. It's like a totally different color red from any other red on the sneaker. Now on the official stock images of this sneaker, this back heel part is the part that really threw me off, and I wasn't sure if that was just, like a photography mistake or something like that. But in hand, yeah, it's totally different. Doesn't even match the sneaker. Now as far as the materials go, you do have this black leather on the outer and the inner part of the sneaker. And then you have this like suede upper. It does come with black laces on the sneaker, which, I'm glad that they did that because those red laces look like trash. On the bottom of the sneaker, you will have that carbon fiber. You will have your pods right there. You get that Jordon Jumpman there at the front of the toe box. And then that number 23. What is this right here? I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's like a white mark that's like embedded into the back of the heel right there, right under the 23. Try to focus on that for you. And it is not coming off. And to be honest with you, this sneaker would be really, really dope if this upper part was the same red as this. Or, if it matched better. Or the red was darker. This is like a very, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's like a very light color red. Doesn't even really remind me of the original flu game 12s. And I'm a very big fan of the Jordan 12. I mean, the silhouette is really, really dope. On most colorways, it just hits really, really nicely. It's an iconic sneaker. Now, if this was like a grade school sneaker or, like a women's exclusive or something like that, I could kind of see why they went the route that they did. But for a men's sneaker, I think they dropped the ball on this one. And guys, I'm looking for any reason to like this sneaker. I really, really am. I kind of regret picking it up for $190. Let me know down in the comments section if you picked this sneaker up or you passed on it. I got my dub on the Nike Sneakers app, and it was an easy dub. But I've been getting a lot of dubs on the Sneakers app, over the past month or so, so I don't really think nothing of it, but I kind of think that these are bricks. And if you go on places like StockX and GOAT, like I'm on StockX right now, and the resale price of this thing is close to retail. It's worth like $20 more than it sold for. So apparently this was a sneaker that not many people were feeling, and I can't even blame them. I wish I would have passed on these. And guys, to be honest with you, this is the first time that I've been disappointed in a shoe from Jordan brand. When I copped the sneaker that I wanted in a very, very long time. But let me know down in the comments, guys. Was this a cop? Was this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Let me know down below. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. And until next time, peace.